the corpse pose. The purpose of this exercise is to help straighten out the spine and to help realign the posture. Okay, I'm going to have Johnny take us through it. So what I want you to do first, Johnny, is lie completely flat on your back for me. Good, okay, nearly there. So the starting points will be, I want to make sure that your feet are upwards towards the ceiling. Yep. And parallel, making sure that the feet don't kick out. Straight up. Keep a nice wee drive down to your heels. This will stretch out. Calves. Back and knees will get stretched. And also hamstring, really pushing away with your heels. Good. From here, I want to make sure that your lower back doesn't pop up. Keeping it down. Good. Nice and relaxed. Now from here, I want to make sure that your palms are faced up, close to your sides, and push down towards your feet. Good. At the same time, keeping your shoulders pulled down to the floor. Good. You'll feel your shoulder blades slightly nip in as you roll the shoulders back and down. And often the mistake is pushing down and forward. Now I want you to pull the back of the head up and chin tuck down. Good. And think about trying to keep your head up as high as you can and your heels down as far as you can. And imagine pulling your body apart. This here is going to be held for 60 seconds. You'll feel all the muscles in your body working. As I said, calves, knees, hamstrings, lower back, shoulders, pecs often as you're rolling back in the back of the neck. This can be quite tricky at the start if the head, neck and posture is quite out of line. So if needed, you can use a book just to help lift the head until it's ready to bring right back down to the floor. Once a minute is done in this, you will take a minute's rest and then you'll repeat it again for a minute. You'll do it a total of 3 times. Good work, Johnny. Alright, good luck, guys.